Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. It's been a while. I got really sick, but I am feeling much better now. If you guys want to get into this green look, it was kind of inspired by my shirt. It says no signs of intelligent life anywhere. It's a Toy Story shirt, but I was just feeling the green and wanted to do a look. So welcome back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in another video. Hey y'all, so I'm taking Play It Cool and putting that all through the crease area just to have a nice transition color. Then I am taking Fired Up and putting that directly into the crease. Just windshield wipering back and forth just to build up a nice transition of colors. Then I'm taking Stroke of Luck with a tapered blending brush and just putting that all through the crease as well as the inner corner so I can create a nice halo eye. And taking my time to build those colors up. Then I'm taking Green with Envy and going in the inner and outer just so I have a nice dark transition so that color pops on the eye. So going back in with Stroke of Luck, I want the color that I place on top of that to kind of still stand out and not be too transparent. So I am layering those colors. Then taking ColourPop's Telepathy, which is a super pretty gold green. And I'm not gonna cut the crease, but I am gonna give myself a little halo. Dude, if you've never tried the ColourPop cream eyeshadows, definitely give them a try. They're so easily blended. Then going in with Bold Moves, I'm just going to soften out the edges on the inner and outer crease area, just so it has a nice transition of color. You don't want it to just sit on top of there. Then using my NYX Matte Black Eyeliner, I'm going to make a little wing. Then taking my MAC Extended Play GigaBlack Lash Mascara. I love it. Do you see how small that brush is? It catches all my little baby lashes. Onto skincare, using my Noxzema pads to kind of take away the fallout and clean my face off. Then my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer, just to have a nice moisturized face. Then using my Grove Collaborative Mint and Argan Oil Lip Conditioner. And of course, Fenty Beauty Primer. Can't live without it. It keeps me so mattified without feeling dry. Then taking MAC Studio Fix Fluid and NW45 and NC50 mixed together on a Morphe M444 brush, sprayed with a little Fix Plus spray. I'm just gonna blend all that together to give myself a nice full coverage with a perfect color. Yeah, so NC50 is a little too orange for me right now, and NW45 is too red. So I have to mix those two together and get the perfect color, but they are amazing. The texture is great. It's not too heavy if you don't pile a whole bunch on, but it gives amazing full coverage and it stays pretty matte. Then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just highlight everything that needs to be highlighted. Using my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge, which is amazing from Target. Just going to blend everything out and make sure everything has nice smooth seams. My L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick in the color Espresso, just to contour a little bit, nothing too heavy. And my annoyingly crooked contour. Taking a MAC Duo Fiber brush. It is so soft. I don't even know if they make this one anymore, but it is amazing. And I am blending upward with my brush as to not make it look muddy. If you blend down, it kind of gets muddy, but blending upward is beautiful. I'm taking a little bit of banana powder on the back of my Real Techniques, the flat side, so I can get right up under that eye and get that nice and set. And taking my e.l.f. Turks and Cacos bronzing duo on a Real Techniques brush. I'm just going to give myself a little bit more color, a little more warmth to the skin. A little Mineralize Skinfinish by MAC Cosmetics in the color Dark, just to blend all those edges together. Yes to the finishing powder. And this is my baby. It's been through everything. This was my first blush palette that I ever made. And as you can see, I was having a hard time deciding who I was going to use. I ended up going with Amber and Rose. It's one of my first blushes by MAC, but it's been holding it down since 2012. And my Patrick Starr highlighter. For a little extra oomph, I'm taking Shaft of Gold just to add that on top of Patrick. Okay, now look, that's enough highlighter, girl. I'm taking my e.l.f. Jumbo eyeliner, just gonna line the waterline. And then a mix of Green with Envy and Stroke of Luck underneath the eye. Y'all, I was so mad. Let me tell y'all, waited till the last minute to mess up. Y'all, I had to take 5 because I got so mad at myself. But back to what I was doing. Taking a little bit of Telepathy, the ColourPop cream eyeshadow, and placing that in the inner corner just to give it a little pop. And throwing on some lashes from my local beauty supply. And I was done. that is Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC Cosmetics. It is one of my favorites, and I think that everyone should have that in their makeup kit. Not too much overlining as to making a color blendable. Y'all will see I had such a hard time figuring out what this color was going to be on my lips. So I'm taking Topped with Brandy liquid lipstick. And I really wasn't feeling it. So I took a little bit of Honey Love to place that in the center. And I still really wasn't feeling it. But it was better than what was there before. So taking a little bit of Ariana Grande. And still wasn't hidden. So I took a little bit of Spice lip gloss and finally got to where I wanted it to be. It only took like 72 products, but whatever, no biggie. Then a little bit of Fix Plus spray just to even everything out. And a little bit of Morphe continuous setting spray just to finish it all off. And yes, I gotta get every drop, thank you. All right, and I'll be right back with the finished look. All right, y'all have a blessed day. Enjoy this beautiful spring day. Well, at least where I am. And I will see y'all again in the next video. Bye.